Good morning, students. This is English LIT book for class 7 in the session of 2020-2021. Today we will read chapter first. The chapter is To a Butterfly. This is poem written by the greatest poet William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was born at 1770 and he had died in 1850. This poem is about a butterfly. In this poem, the poet shares his feelings, his childhood feelings, to being with a butterfly while playing. The English poet William Wordsworth, 1770-1850, wrote the poem To a Butterfly. The poem talks about a butterfly that the poet sees, but also this butterfly makes the poet remember his childhood. The butterfly is used by the poet to introduce us in his mind, to show us his feelings. Now let's see the poem. What did poet say in this poem? The poet says, I have watched you now a full half hour, self-poised upon that yellow flower. And little butterfly, indeed, I know not if you sleep or feed. In this passage, the word self-poised. Self-poised means in a state of balance without need of. How motionless? Not frozen seas. More motionless, and then what joy awaits you when the breeze hath found you out among the trees and calls you forth again. In this passage, the word motionless. Motionless means no movement. No movement means like a statue. And the joy. Joy word is joy means a feeling of great happiness, great pleasure. This plot of orchard ground is ours. My trees, they are my sister's flowers. Here rest your wings when they are weary. Here lodge as in a sanctuary. The word orchard. Orchard means everybody knows a piece of land planted with fruits or trees. Come often to us, fear no wrong. Sit near us on the bough. We will talk of sunshine and of song, and summer days when we were young. Sweet childish days there were as long as 20 days are now. So, students, we read this poem, and as a HW, you will also read this poem again and again and write the word meaning or tough words in your notebook. Thank you.